So in printing, with me, it's a family history. And when somebody comes up to me and says, hey, you have a cool watch, it's my opportunity to tell the story of the Beddoe printing history and to actually tell them about my great-grandfather and how I'm the fourth generation. To be able to carry something that he had from way back in the 20s and 30s to present day is remarkable. My great-grandfather, Percy Floyd Beddoe, started Beddoe Printing Company back in 1946 in Dallas, Texas. He was our first generation in printing. I will be the fourth, and my son Cole will be the fifth. Our family wasn't really much on collecting photographs, and so this watch really is the only thing that I have from my great-grandfather. So it's pretty sentimental. I loved the whole process working with the Vortic team on building this watch. All the options that were presented to me for being able to build this watch was unbelievable. We were able to pick out the band color, the face trim, the bezel. Everything that went into it was pure custom and exactly how I wanted it to be built. Passing the watch on for future generations is going to be a tough decision because I have two sons, both of which really want the watch. So deciding whichever one is in the business will get first shot at it. If not, then I'm going to flip a coin.